Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your desktop icons on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains of course a Windows 11. If you are a Windows 10 user though, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course you can run the installation for Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to. If you want to keep like using your PC in the meanwhile. So your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use for you. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any files or apps for you, so don't worry about that course, and you will have even a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 11 or sorry Windows 10 whenever you want if you're facing some issues, but I don't think that will happen, and you will even like the Windows 11 once you try it and get used to it. And as we said is we would like to hide the desktop icons on the Windows 11, and as you can see now on my desktop I have no icons, no apps, no folders, no nothing. How did I hide them? So simply if you want to hide them, you can just right click on your mouse wherever you want on your screen. So when you do that, you will have to go to this view option, and of course here you'd like to select this show desktop icons to show them. As you can see, that show my desktop icons. If you want to hide them, do the same. Right click, view, go to this show desktop icons and make sure to uncheck this option, and as you can see that will hide my desktop icons. Of course you can do other stuff with other stuffs with the view if they are shown, of course, but if they are hidden you will not be able to see anything anywhere. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.